Happening this morning, tens of thousands of Kaiser Permanente nurses and healthcare workers are set to strike at hundreds of clinics across California and Hawaii.
The unions representing employees say they're striking over unfair labor practices. ABC 10's Austin Castro is at the Kaiser Permanente Roseville Medical Center, one of the picketing locations this morning. He joins us now live as the strike gets underway in a little bit. Austin, what do we know about the bargaining talks that ultimately led to this strike?
Good morning, Carolina and Jay. Both Kaiser and the union representing these healthcare workers say they have been bargaining for months, trying to reach an agreement on a new set of contracts. Now, as of just yesterday, Kaiser says the union informed them that they are ready to resume those local bargaining talks. But despite those talks continuing to get underway, tens of thousands of healthcare workers are set to strike later this morning. Now, the Roseville Kaiser location isn't the only one set to see strikes here. Other locations across California and Hawaii are also going to have healthcare workers striking. Now, I spoke with union representatives ahead of the strike who argue this is about patient care and protecting the future of healthcare. Gina Yarbrough with the United Nurses Association of California / Union of Healthcare Professionals points to their calls for safe staffing levels and a sustainable workforce. She said that's ultimately at the heart of these negotiations in order for them to continue to deliver quality healthcare.
We can't do that without the proper resources, and we can't do that without the proper staffing. And the patients that are most affected are crying on our shoulders and upset with us. We're the front line. We take the complaints. We take the frustration that they have. And the upper administrators and the bean counters are very far removed from the patients we face every day.
Now, Kaiser released an updated statement just yesterday regarding the strike. It reads in part, quote, "Despite the union's claims, this strike is about wages. This open-ended strike by UNAC, UHCP is unnecessary when such a generous offer is on the table. The strike is designed to disrupt the lives of our patients, the very people we are all here to serve," end quote. Now, Kaiser maintained they've offered one of their strongest compensation packages in national bargaining history. They say that package includes a nearly 22% wage increase over the 4-year course of the contract, with 16% of that being within the first 2 years. Now, during the strike, Kaiser also says their hospitals and most of their healthcare facilities will remain open. However, they also point to some appointments having to shift to virtual care or even having to be rescheduled altogether. Again, that strike is set to get underway here in less than an hour at 7 a.m. And of course, we will continue to follow that strike all morning long. Live in Roseville, Austin Castro, ABC 10.
Thank you, Austin.